Hello, future physicians. Welcome back to our channel. Today, let's talk about a game changer in your USMLE preparation, mastering effective note-taking strategies as a key for success. I'll give you 3 simple steps to maximize your effective note-taking skills to help you excel on your USMLE exams. Step 1. Organization. Start by organizing your study material into clear and concise notes. Use bullet points, headings, and subheadings to structure your notes logically. This will help you quickly locate information when reviewing and revising for your exams. Step 2. Incorporate visual aids. Enhance your notes with visual aids and diagrams. Visuals can help simplify complex concepts and improve information retention. Use color coding, flowcharts, and illustrations to visually represent key points and relationships. Step 3. Review and update regularly. Make sure to review and update your notes regularly. Schedule dedicated time for review sessions to reinforce learning and identify areas that need further clarification. By incorporating these 3 steps into your study routine, you'll be better prepared to tackle the USMLE with confidence. Start implementing these effective note-taking strategies today and watch your exam performance soar. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more valuable content.